Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rishika and this channel is about the training and job of a cabin attendant. So the people who are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today I am going to tell you that how you can make a proper perfect bun using a donut bun or maybe using an hair extension. So let's get started.
First of all, we need a tail comb and you need to make a neat partition both the sides. Just make sure that there's no hair or a hair strand going haywire whenever you make the partition. Then you need to make a good pony. Just tie a rubber band and spray some water. Then comb your hair nicely, and now you need to make the twisties. So for that, spray some water first, comb your hair nicely, and then just roll and twist your hair upwards and put the bobby pin. We'll do the same to the other side also, and please make sure that you roll your hair tightly and put the bobby pin also perfectly and tightly so that your twisties are perfect. No hair should be coming out of your twisties or your bun, so just comb your hair nicely. If you want, you can again use some water and spray some water and comb your hair nicely. After this, you need to make the bun, and for that you need to put the donut bun on your pony and spread your hair evenly and equally around the bun. Now put a rubber band, a thinner rubber band with preferably a black color, and then you need to just secure the bun with your residual hair, and while securing the bun you will have to put the U-pins or Jura pins so that your hair should not come out of your bun. After that, you can also add an extension to your hair so that your bun look more perfect and it gets more volume. So you can attach the hair extension with a U-pin to your original hair and start securing your bun with the extensions by just spreading it and not rolling it, and also keep putting the U-pins or Jura pins so that the hair extension is also secured with your original hair and bun properly. After this, you just need to secure your bun with a Jura net. I am using a 0 size Jura net because it gives the perfect look to your bun. So please try using this net for your bun, and we are done. After making twisties and bun, you need to complete an important step, and that is applying gel or hairspray or hair wax. I am applying gel, but please remember that you don't put or apply gel on the roots of your hair, because that will cause hair fall. After applying gel, just comb your hair again nicely.
So this is a very basic bun that you can make whenever you are going for an interview or whenever you start flying. Obviously you can make this bun. I have made one twisty this side and the other twisty this side, and I have made a very basic bun using the donut bun. And as I don't have very long hair and the volume of my hair is not so good, that's why I have used extensions also along with that. But if you don't want to use extensions, if you have got very good hair and very long hair, then it's all good, you don't need to use extensions. But other than this, you also have an option of making a braided bun. So the people who have got a very long hair, or who don't have also, because the people like me who don't have very long hair can also make the braided bun with using the extensions. So if you want me to make a separate video on that also, then please let me know. I will be making a separate video for that if you want me to do, but for that you need to comment in the comment section below so that I get to know that what you want me to tell you in my upcoming videos. And other than that, I request all of you to please share and first of all try this hairdo on your own, and then share your look, your pictures with me on my Instagram page, and so that I can get to know that how much useful, purposeful and helpful was this video to all of you. And I would like to thank all my viewers for watching my videos and liking my videos a lot, and especially for supporting me a lot and giving me different suggestions so that I can improve my videos and share the information that you are looking for. So I will be really coming back soon with my next video, but till then I would request all of you to please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I would like to tell you well in advance that the upcoming video, the next video of mine, will be really special and really important for all of you to watch. So please don't miss that video and stay tuned. I will be really coming back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.